Hey guys, it's your girl Tahita with Beauty and the Kinks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be featuring some products from Merit. I absolutely love working with them because they encourage clean beauty and they have a less is more philosophy, which encourages natural looking beauty. So I love it. In this video, I will be featuring their Day Glow Highlighting Balm in the color Citrine. It is a beautiful soft gold color. As well, I will be showing you guys the Flush Balm Cheek color, and this will be in the color Terracotta. It's absolutely beautiful, so warm, such a beautiful finish. So let's get into it, guys. In most cases, I would probably apply this with my fingers. I do this off and on, but in this particular video, I applied the product directly to my skin, which is perfectly fine because like I said, these products are super duper blendable. So just using my fingers to blend out, and look how gorgeous that is. Just enough of a dewy finish. So beautiful, so natural. Next up, I have the Flush Balm, and it is in the color Terracotta, as I mentioned. It is a beautiful, like orange, warm terracotta color, and it just adds just enough warmth and like flush to the skin. Absolutely love the finish. Definitely going to be using this for a bronzy, warm look for the spring and summertime. And again, blended it out with my fingers because it's super blendable. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is the finished look, incorporating the Flush Balm as well as the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. Absolutely love the finish, how natural and dewy it looks. Just super gorgeous to me. I will have the products listed down below as well as a link to where you can copy yours. And any questions you have, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next video, bye guys.